topic is how to unpivot columns in Microsoft Excel. Okay. So just to give a quick example, so suppose you have data in this fashion. So you have certain columns, and very simple example is the first column is ID, and you have other columns like the monthly sales, and then you want to convert in a such a way that all the columns will become like inner rows, and then you will have a value, right? So irrespective of the number of columns, there can be just two final columns that those will be created, right? So the one is your attribute, and another is value. So this will be really useful. Whenever there are multiple columns and you have to generate a summaries or to create a reports. Okay. So I'll quickly show you one example, and then and how do we really unpivot these, and then option is to use a Power Query, right? So this is the regular data set that I have. This is a monthly sales for a given product by country and by customer, right? Now, so over here, what you have to do is, so the first you will have to create the query linked to this data set, right? So how do you do that? So you have to go to data, and then from range and table, right? So it will create a new query linked to this data range. Okay. So now hit OK. Okay, so here we have this Power Query window. Very simple step that you have to do is select all the columns that you want to unpivot. Okay, so I'll just select this, and I have hold the Control and Shift. Okay, so now I selected all these columns that I want to unpivot. Okay, so which is monthly sales, and then I have to go to transform, and then click on unpivot columns. Okay. Now, as I said, so it had created just two columns. So the one is attribute, another is value. So you can rename these as well. Suppose I want to rename this as month year, right? And this is our volume. Okay. Uh, yeah, and that's it. So we have unpivoted columns, and this is data structure that we want. So now I'll just click close and load. Yeah. So now, as you can see over here, it will create its own another tab with unpivoted data from Power Query.